OnePlus Open Overview Specs. OnePlus Open Emerald Dusk Voyager Black. By now dimensions: when opened, height 15.34 cm, width 14.31 cm, thickness 0.58 cm, Emerald Dusk variant, thickness 0.59 cm, Voyager Black variant, when closed, height 15.34 cm, width 7.33 cm, thickness 1.17 cm, thickness 1.19 cm, Voyager Black variant, weight Voyager Black 239 grams, Emerald Dusk 245 grams, display main display, primary display, size 19.86 cm, 7.82, measured diagonally from corner to corner, resolution 2442x268, 2K, 426 pixels per inch, aspect ratio 1.0758, 1 screen to body ratio 89.6%, refresh rate 1 to 120 Hz, dynamic panel type FlexiFluid AMOLED with LTPO 3.0, typical HBM, peak brightness 1400 and 2800 nits, support sRGB, DCI-P3, 10-bit color depth, 97% NTSC, 100% DCI-P3, touch response, up to 240 Hz, pulse width modulation, 1440 Hz, protective material, ultra-thin glass certification, 2 Rhineland Intelligent Eye Care cover screen, secondary display, size 16.03 cm, 6.31, measured diagonally from corner to corner.